Yeah, you knew how to do it. Welcome to Net Worth Watch, the show where we take a look at public figures' net worth and then we judge their watch collection. And today we're talking about the man of the hour, P. Diddy, or Puff Daddy, or Sean Puffy Combs, PP Diddler, who knows? It is 2:16 p.m. Let's get down to business. Alrighty, this episode is brought to you by The Time Teller Shop, my very own store, and we have a daily deal. We're trying to get rid of this Gerard Perregaux beautiful tank, black dial, really nice watch, and we're letting it go for under $400 when you use coupon code SPRING. Alright, so we are talking about P. Diddy because, of course, he has been very relevant in the news cycle lately. Some stunning allegations leveled against him, and I actually covered all of the most bizarre allegations in my newest channel, Everything is Gay. That's right, that's the name of the channel. You can go ahead, click the link in the description below and subscribe over there. We talk about everything that YouTube really does not want me to talk about. They've already tried to delete like 3 episodes that I put up over there. So brand new project, everyone loves it. You might hate it, but that's fine. Go check it out, link in the description. So P. Diddy, you cannot argue, has been very successful business-wise. Media mogul, music, television, fashion. He's done it pretty much all to a very high level with a net worth of over $1 billion with a B. And it's probably not surprising that his watch collection reflects his very wealthy, lavish lifestyle. First watch we're going to take a look at in his collection is a Rolex Day-Date. That's right, President, 40 mil with a black dial in yellow gold. This retails for around $40,000, and that's actually the cheapest watch I could find him wearing. Next up, a Jacob & Co. He's been seen wearing a few, but this one, the Royal 5 Time Zone, coming in around $25,000. Next up, another Jacob & Co., the Rainbow Tourbillon R2W GDC, coming in around $300,000. Next up, a Beauvais Fleurier Amadeo 7-day skeleton tourbillon, coming in around $332,000. And finally, just your basic Rolex Daytona. I'm just kidding. It's a Rolex Daytona Rainbow in Everose. And these retail for like the high 400,000s, and I've seen them go into the millions, believe it or not. So as is tradition now in the Net Worth Watch series, I am starting to choose a watch from the celebrities collection. And out of the 5 watches we took a look at today, I'd have to choose just the basic Rolex Day-Date 40. I mean, I have a 36 mil Day-Date and I absolutely love it. I think the black dial looks gorgeous on this one, especially with that contrast and the yellow gold tone. It's just a beautiful watch. It's simple. It's not bedazzled from what I can see. I'm not a huge fan of gemstones on watches, so this Rolex Day-Date, good enough for me. Alright guys, thanks for supporting me here and on all my various projects. Again, click the link in the description below to go ahead and shop at the Time Teller Shop or to check out my newest channel. Alright guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed. I'm Jory Goodman at the Time Teller, and always remember, I didn't invent time. I just tell it.